reason why roast beef sandwiches are good is because they fight against AIDS. And give you AIDS. What? I don't know. And
So if you don't like roast beef sandwiches,
you're gay.
And a
fag. We're not fags. Nope. Kinda hope I had more sauce on it.
No, probably some more. Give me that can.
We're really cool. Yeah. Down, 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 down. Roast beef jam. Roast beef jam. Roast beef. Roast beef sandwich. Hey, do you think I can be like on my neck and start saying gay stuff like, yeah, boy.
Yeah!
Can I have a roast beef sandwich on my hand?
That'd be cool. Kinda, you know.
Alex, screw up my roast beef sandwich.
How?
You didn't put enough stuff on it.
Well, suck it up.
Let's wash it.